Hello viewers, welcome back to this video and welcome back to the channel. In this very video we are going to look at VLOOKUP function and how we can use it in our Excel work. Okay? To begin with, here we have Excel sheet for marks, okay, of some students, and we want to grade them using the VLOOKUP function. Okay, to begin with, let's first right here name this column, give it grade. Okay, then I come here in my table array. Okay, I say beginning from 0 must get an E. Okay, beginning from 250. Okay, I give it let the F begin here. Okay, F, then we have A. Okay, to 60, 50 to 60, we give it E. 60 to 70, I give it a D. Okay, 65. Okay, so 60 to 65, that's a D. And 65 to 70, that's a C. Okay, 70 to 80, that's a B. And 80 to 100, okay, all 8 and above, give it an A. Okay, now we have finished our table array. Let's see how we can use this function. Okay, to use the function, say V, then look for the lookup function. Okay, look for the lookup value, which is here. Okay, in cell C3, put a comma. Okay, now we're going to reference our table array. Okay, $sign. Our table array is I and starts from row 5. Okay, then there it stops on J. Put the $sign J and row J, then you put on row 10. Okay, there you have referenced your table array. Okay, after referencing the table array, tell us the column that you want us to pick the value from. Okay, please pick from column 2. Okay, and if you find it, should you bring it? Yes or not? Okay, yes, true, bring it. Then you put on true. Okay, so that's our lookup function now. Okay, then we close the parentheses, okay, all the brackets, and we click enter. We find whoever had 8 and above will be getting an A. 70, 80, it was a B. See how whether it is verified. Okay, so that's our simple function. Okay, called VLOOKUP. You may not call it simple, you may not call it hard, however name you give it. That's a function. Okay, you can use it. For example, you can use it even here to grade. You say this function B fair. Okay, this one can be fair trial. Okay, this one can be improve. Okay, this one can be improve. Then you can say good. Okay, it's good. You can say very. Okay, good. Here you can say excellent. Excellent. So that's how you can now bring it in. So bringing, you can see how they have changed it. Okay, because the function is already there. So that's how we can use VLOOKUP function. Thank you. If you'd like this content to be coming and you want to be seeing it, okay, comment in the section below, okay, and give us and subscribe for more.